Hello and welcome to week 2 of our Theology, Economy, Liturgy course. I am excited about amazing conversations and all your burning questions. This week, we will continue our discussion on the distinction between Theologia, the very mystery of God, and economia, God's creative and salvific actions. In other words, the discernment of God ad intra and God ad extra. However, is this a modern-day theological question? In order to answer this problem, we will have to look at the biblical facts and also at the theology of the 4th century and some points of the 20th century. A biblical point of departure is John 1:18. No man has seen God at any time. The only begotten Son, which is in the bosom of the Father, he has declared him, ἐξηγήσατο. What is hidden behind this twofold statement? What is the meaning of the Greek word ἐξηγήσατο? Why Eucharistic prayers are addressed to the Father alone? These are some of the questions. In order to answer them, we will rely on the Cappadocian Fathers who theologically overcame the weaknesses that had troubled the pre-Nicene Eastern Trinitarian tradition. For example, the subordinationism of Origen, the so-called cosmological aspect of the Logos, and the mingling of the economic aspects of the revelation of the Trinity with the theology of the Holy Trinity. Our thesis is, as you have seen and realized, any attempt to build Trinitarian theology on God's economic acts, which are then extended to God's being, must be declined. So this is not a modern-day theological question. However, the question of the distinction between economic and immanent relations in the Holy Trinity has justly received considerable attention in modern theology, especially in the West. We will frame this discussion around Karl Rahner's famous axiom, the economic Trinity is the immanent Trinity, and vice versa. Please study Andrei Rublev's famous icon of the Holy Trinity. We will theologically reflect on that. As you know, Rublev's Holy Trinity is also called the hospitality of Abraham. So we will see a video and discuss about it. Please complete the following items before the class. Read through all the modules materials, attend our remote online class meeting via Zoom on Thursday, January 28, and complete readings which you will find in the module. As mentioned before, I'm happy to answer any questions that may arise. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. May God bless you.